So the upper triangle is installed. You'll hear the periodic glove and hap checks. The glove just to make sure there are no nicks or scrapes and make sure they're in good quality to continue working on the spacewalk. And then the hap is the helmet absorption pad, just a quick field test to see if there's any liquid or water. Everything looks good. So we'll hear those checks periodically. That red is a retractable tether. That's the one that was anchoring the upper triangle to the strut bag. So Duke has to release that, and then they can move on to the next task. She's going to be exiting the foot restraint here shortly.